guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing an affordable Kim Kardashian West inspired look. This past week she shook the internet with Easy Season 6 lookbook, so I just wanted to recreate a very simple, very neutral makeup look for you guys inspired by her. So if you want to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. So I went ahead and did my brows and foundation off camera. The foundation I used was e.l.f. in the color Natural. Next I'm going to go in with this powder and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. This powder is by Wet n Wild. It's really affordable and it's actually a really good product to set your liquid foundation with. It's just a pressed powder in the color Warm Beige. As you can see here, I'm taking a fluffy brush and I'm using swiping motions. I don't want to move around my liquid foundation. I just want to set it. So I'm just gently doing tapping and swiping motions. This is going to set your foundation and make it last longer. It's very important to also blend in your neck. You don't want any harsh lines of foundation underneath your neckline. So here I'm taking Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. I'm just applying triangles underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, in the center of my cupid's bow, and then on my chin. I'm just going to blend that out with a dampened beauty blender. I'm just going to do pouncing motions to blend that out. We are going to continue to dab the concealer out. We want it to look skin-like, we want it to look flawless, and we don't want any harsh lines. When you're finished, you should get something that looks similar to this. Here I'm taking this highlighting contour palette. I'm just going to take this color right here. And then I'm going to use that as a contour. We're just going to apply that on the hollow of our cheekbones. So with contouring, we're just going to do windshield wiper motions, sweeping that product back and forth. We just really want to warm up our skin, and this is going to do the trick. I'm applying it underneath my chin. This is going to make my chin appear slimmer. Here I'm taking BH Contour Palette. I'm taking that darker color. I'm just going to put that in the hollows of my cheekbones to darken it. It's making my cheekbones appear higher and it's going to give me a more chiseled look. You just want to make sure that you thoroughly blend out your contour. You don't want any harsh lines. That's where people's contour looks a little bit sloppy. So we're really going to take our time and we're going to go in circular motions and we're going to blend that all the way out. So here I'm taking my beauty blender and a highlighting color from that same BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to clean up my contour. This is just going to make it look like a more smoother application for your contour, and if you blend it out a little bit too low, this is going to clean that area right up. So you're just going to take it and literally carve out a line right where your cheekbone is. And that's going to give you more definition. Like I said, it's going to give you a cleaner application. Here I'm going underneath my eyes as well, just to set that under eye concealer using the same exact highlighting powder from that BH Cosmetics palette. Setting your makeup is really important, especially if you have oily skin, because it's going to keep the oils away and it's going to keep the makeup on your face longer. So I'm also setting the middle of my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin, just the high points of my face basically, and that's going to make my makeup last longer. Here I'm showing you it's so sharp you can cut it with a knife. After our powder is set, now we can just go ahead and blend out those lines, so then we don't have any harsh lines where our highlighting powder was. And then we just get everything nice and set and even, and we should have a very clean contour after that. Here I'm taking this Maybelline Quad eyeshadow palette. I'm taking this lighter color. We're just going to take a flat brush and we're going to apply that all over our lids. So we have this very soft, neutral eyelid color. And I'm actually taking that color all the way up to our brow bone. I'm just using that all over because with Kim K, she always does a very neutral look. So we're going to use that same eyelid color as our highlight as well. Here I'm taking this taupe color in the palette and I'm just going to use that as the transition color for our crease. So we're trying to keep it really soft and neutral. So we're going to do windshield wiper motions back and forth to keep that blended out and precise. Here I'm taking this brown color to apply it in the V of our inner corner just to give it a little bit more definition. So I'm taking a fluffier brush, but it's a more concentrated fluffy brush so I can focus on that inner corner with more precision and definition. Once we got the color where we want it, we're just going to diffuse it by blending it out and softening it up so that it blends into that transition color and so it blends into that lid color seamlessly. Last but surely not least, we're going to take this light color here. It's a little bit of shimmer. We're going to apply that to the inner corner of our eyes so that it gives us a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of pop. It's also going to make your eyes appear to be wider and more awake. So we're just blending that out, and then I'm going to go in with a fluffier brush. I'm just going to diffuse all of that so I don't have any harsh lines, so that everything flows seamlessly. Here I'm taking CoverGirl's The Supersizer Fibers Mascara. Say that 10 times fast. And I'm just going to apply that to my top and bottom lashes. Here I'm taking Kiss eyelashes, and I will apply those off camera. Here I'm taking Maybelline's Vivid Hot Lip Lacquer in the shade Tease. I love this color. It's a very good neutral. It's very similar to a lot of the Kylie and Kim lip kits. Here I'm taking just a regular brown lip liner to go over that pink lip lacquer. It's going to mute it down a little bit and make it look a little more skin tone and a little more neutral. Here I'm really rubbing my lips together. That's giving it almost an ombre effect. And I'm applying a little bit more of that to the center. It's just going to gradually blend together.
I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.